What is checkpoint, one of the Oracle background processes? You can learn the answer to this question in detail by watching this video. So let's start. Before learning about the checkpoint process, let's learn what database checkpoint is. Data files in the database are modified over time. Modified data files are kept in the database buffer cache. Modified data files are not immediately written to disk. Some conditions must be met for the modified data files to be written to disk. One of these conditions is checkpoint. At checkpoint time, the modified data files in the buffer cache are written to disk. The database writer process performs this operation with the signal it receives from the checkpoint process. Additionally, at checkpoint time, control file and data file headers are updated with checkpoint information. This process is performed by the checkpoint process. Checkpoint information is called system change number. System change number is information updated by the Oracle database at the time of each commit. We can also think of it as a time value produced by the Oracle database. The database provides data consistency using this information. In addition, thanks to this information, the database shortens the database recovery time. So when does the checkpoint occur? When modifying Oracle database data files, it writes a lot of information to redo log files. Redo log files are switched as they become full. A checkpoint occurs at the moment of switching. Log checkpoint timeout is one of the Oracle startup parameters. The log checkpoint timeout parameter determines the checkpoint time. When the specified time expires, the checkpoint process occurs. If the switch command is entered by the database admin, a checkpoint occurs. If the checkpoint command is entered by the database admin, the checkpoint occurs. In summary, at checkpoint time, the checkpoint process gives a signal to the database writer process. Thanks to this signal, the database writer process writes the modified data files in the database buffer cache to disk. The checkpoint process updates the system change number of the data file header and control file. In this video, I tried to answer the question of what is a checkpoint, one of the Oracle background processes. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.